4 trays left. Blue, orange, green, brown, slate, white, red, black, yellow, violet, blue. Yeah, this is how to splice 144 core. This is how to splice 144 core. We are still on it. There's a lot of work here. You might take it simple, but hey, there's a lot of work here. You are still here. You are still here. And it's almost now. Yeah, that one is a GRC 14. That's for BTC, that one. This one is for liquid telco, the one we are currently working on it. Here in block 7. Yeah. It's an aerial cable to block 8. As you can see, there's a stay wire there to support this pole. There's a stay wire. There's our 9-meter pole. And there's our cable there. This thing, we called it a vibrator gland. This thing's a vibrator gland. Also, this one is a clamp. This one is a clamp. This one is a hook there. Don't mind the 3-phase that serves for power. We are doing the liquid telecom plant. This is the liquid telecom plant. Splicing 144. 2 joints of 144. There's aerial there, an aerial joint with a UG joint there. It's a stay wire, remember. You see how the lines are, how the poles are lined. So, you should not see another pole when you are here. You should not see another pole when you are here. Here. See another pole when you are here.